Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB's Legal Bee. This is Amrita, your law faculty here at iExamB. At iExamB, we help you prepare for various competitive examinations. If you have completed your law and you are looking for a job in the government sector, banking sector, regulatory bodies like SEBI and all, IBPS SO Law Officer examination, and there are various examinations where you can prepare for the post of law officer. So definitely you should check out the online courses available at iExamB's website. इसके डेमो आप एक्टिवेट करके देख सकते हैं by going on www.iexamb.com. If you have any queries, you can reach out to us by writing us an email on hello@iexamb.com. You can also call us on the number 920-55-24028 for any queries. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Legal Bee. As on Legal Bee, we keep on getting different videos that are helpful for your exam preparation, strategic videos, content and whatnot. Important question series as well. So you can check out all the videos in our playlist and prepare 50% faster with us at iExamB. आज की वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों के साथ डिस्कस करने वाली हूँ a topic of my ongoing series that I have started on finding out the easiest way to study different subjects with a time span. In this video, I'm going to talk about the easiest way of studying insurance laws in a time span of 6 days. Insurance laws एक different area, different branch of law है that is developed. Definitely it is growing nowadays. Insurance, this concept is very important. For this, you should have a basic idea of the contract of indemnity as well. Whenever you start studying any subject, try to have a basic knowledge of it and then start studying that so that you don't find any difficulty in understanding the concepts. Always go for some introduction part. This is relating to not only contract of indemnity but also here I would like to give a study tip that it is relating to company law. When you will check out the Insurance Act 1938, you will find out that there is a lot of similarity in the procedure like that of a company also. Many concepts are there. So if you have a sound base of company law before starting this subject, it will be very good for you. The concept of insurance should be clear in your mind, like the contract of indemnity. All these things should be there in your mind when you study these laws. And then, of course, the main thing is you should focus on the parts from where questions are asked in examination. If you're preparing for any competitive exam, which is there in the insurance sector, where you have insurance laws in the syllabus, according to their previous year questions and everything, you should find out the important topics and study from exam point of view. This is a tip from my side for studying insurance laws. Now in this, we will be covering two laws, Insurance Act of 1938 and IRDA Act. IRDA is the actual authority that is governing or that is regulating the insurance companies they are working in India. वो लॉ भी आप पढ़ सकते हैं. That is a very short act though, वो आप एक दिन में कवर कर सकते हैं. But first we will start with the introduction of Insurance Act. On first day you can take up Insurance Act, introductory part and the basics as I told you. Then important definitions you will have to go through. इतने definitions भी नहीं है उसमें, important definitions आप cover कर सकते हैं. Then you can take up appointment of controller of insurance. That is a part of the first preliminary chapter only along with definitions, section 2B. After that you can take up the second part which is dealing with provisions applicable to insurers. So all of this you can take up on the first day and complete it in 4 hours. You can see the time division I have given here according to me. If you feel that you want to study 3 hours on the first day and 3 hours on the second day, आप उसको वैसे भी divide कर सकते हैं according to your own convenience, according to your availability of time. Second day you can take up investments and prohibited loans. This is another important topic from Insurance Act. And along with that you can take up assets of insurers, how to be kept. This section is also important. So ये second part में है, आप इसको पढ़ सकते हैं in the second day. Third day you can take up amalgamation and transfer of business, assignment of transfer of policies and nominations. This part along with commission and rebates of license and licensing of agents. इसके भी 3-4 sections है. एंड स्पेशल प्रोविजंस में से सेक्शन 48A। सो ये 4-5 चीज़ें हैं जो आप एक साथ पढ़ सकते हैं 4 आवर्स में, बिकॉज ये इतना वास्ट नहीं है, बट 2-4 टॉपिक है थोड़े से कोरिलेटेड भी हो जाते हैं कई सो अगर आप ये साथ में पढ़ते हैं सो इट विल बी गुड फॉर यू। Fourth day, you can take up the winding up procedure, have a basic idea of the procedure. Then appeal is filed to NCLAT. This should be NCLAT. Application appeal against the decisions will be going to NCLAT, National Company Law Appellate Tribunal. So वो एक important area है। And special provisions relating to external companies, ये आप cover कर सकते हैं 4th day पे 3 hours में। Then the 5th day, last day, you can take up part 2A, Life Insurance Council and General Insurance Council and the committees thereof, along with part 2C, Solvency Margin, Advance Payment of Premium and Restrictions on the Opening of a New Place of Business. इसके साथ ही एक छोटा सा part 4A, Reinsurance। ये सब करके आपका इंश्योरेंस एक्ट कंप्लीट हो जाता है। इसको मैंने लगभग 4 घंटे दिए हुए हैं। This is a division of time according to the requirement of the topic that I have provided you. आप ये टॉपिक्स के डिविजन्स एंड टाइम आपके हिसाब से भी कर सकते हैं। जैसे अगर यहाँ 4 घंटे देने हैं तो मैंने आपको कहा आप इसको 3 दिन कर सकते हैं। ये पार्ट 2 का थोड़ा सा पार्ट बच गया तो आप सेकेंड डे पे भी ले सकते हैं। दिस इज अकॉर्डिंग टू योर ओन शेड्यूल दैट यू हैव टू प्लान फॉर योर सेल्फ। You can take this as a reference and plan your own schedule accordingly. Day 6, you can take up the IRDA Act. IRDA Act definitions and chapter 2 is very important in that. Definitions तो आप पढ़ ही सकते हैं, ज़्यादा नहीं है। Chapter 2 is dealing with the actual establishment of the authority. That is important. Duties, powers and functions of the authority is dealt with under chapter 4. That is also very important. Lastly, have a reference of chapter 5 dealing with finance, accounts and audit. That is it from IRDA. This you can complete in 1 day within 3 hours time span. It won't take much time to prepare this act. It's a very short act. So I have taken that along with the Insurance Act only. 6 days you can complete both these acts and the majority portion of insurance laws gets completed with this. So taking this as a reference, if you have more time available, अगर आप कहीं पे भी employed नहीं है, full time पढ़ाई के लिए दे सकते हैं, तो आप ये 6 दिन की जगह 3 दिन में भी कर सकते हैं। आप 4 की जगह 8 घंटे भी बैठ सकते हैं। It is your choice. Just you have to do plus minus keeping this in mind. I have calculated this for you over here. This you can do plus minus according to yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to Legal Bee for such kind of videos and check out all the remaining videos. मैंने काफ़ी सारे subjects के लिए इसी तरीके के easiest way to study device की है strategy and I have provided it on exclusively at Legal Bee channel. So do check it out and prepare 50% faster with us at iExamBee.